Hiya, Steve here again. I'm going to try and fix Kindle today. Let's get it on the bench and have a look at it. So here it is, all the way from the beautiful Isle of Wight. Looks like it's working from here, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. But pressing the button, nothing happens. Press and hold it 40 seconds. Trust me, that was 40 seconds. Gonna let go, nothing happens. Give it another quick press, nothing happens. So it could be just stuck, I don't know. It could be a faulty switch here, but it does feel like it's clicking. See the switch? Don't know if you'll be able to hear this, we'll give it a go. Well, anyway, it is clicking. And of course the one thing about Kindle screens is they're so good that they just keep displaying whatever they displayed last. This is about 2 years like this. I've been using this as a coaster and it's still displaying Jane Austen as clear as it ever did, even through the tea stains. So what I'm going to do with this is just take it out, get the guts of it out. I have got another Kindle in pieces with a broken screen, so I might be able to make one good one out of these. It may just be the battery. I don't know what the model is that I've got in bits already, but if it's not the same as this one, I do use one of these as my daily reading device. So I'll go and get that out of the toilet, and then I'll be able to check the battery out for that way. I can't really make that out. Model number DP75SDI. So I'll very quickly show the eBay listing for this one. There you go, I paid £14.95 plus £3 postage. I didn't even make an offer, I just bought it because I wanted the screen anyway. If I can't get this to work, and if it doesn't match the one I've got in bits, I'll buy one with a broken screen and just swap them out. So DP75SD1, special repairs, faulty non-working with case. Charged it up, I've charged it up as well. Would not switched on, flashed white page, then went off. Sold as seen, no returns, please study the actual photographs as they form part of my description. Standard. And so it is actually in very nice condition. No scratches on the front, it's very clean. But I don't know about this holding button, it flashed white because it's not doing anything. And it also doesn't do anything whilst it's plugged in. So plug it into charge. The orange light comes in to say it's charging, but nothing happens. Oh! Okay, so I didn't get that when I connect it to the computer. That is definitely trying to do something. I'm just gonna... Oh well, I don't say I've got a good one again. Well, I'll just leave that for a few minutes and see what happens. I did plug this into the computer and nothing happened, so perhaps it's just because the power supply wasn't powerful enough. I'm going to wiggle this wire. I'm not sure if the USB port's loose. It's not tight. And I think it does affect the screen a bit. I'm going to make a cup of tea, I'm going to leave that alone. Let it get a little bit of charge in the battery. I'm going to leave it for about half an hour. Yeah, it's come on. It's been reset. Right, I'm going to leave it charged for a little while. So this has been trying for a good hour or so now. The light at the bottom has turned green, so that should mean that the battery's okay. If I take this out, switch is still doing nothing. So I'm not sure. I think it may be a wibbly wobbly USB port. So I think the best course of action is take this off and let's see if we can see anything obvious inside. Ten screws. Feeling there's a screw under here, and it's like a flexi board. I don't know what this metal's for, it's already cut through. And it's perforated this side. Okay, this seems like an opportune moment just to say that do not do anything I do if you want to guarantee that it's going to work after, because I have no idea what I'm doing. I've taken Kindles apart before, but that doesn't mean I'm an expert at it. It just means that I was lucky last time. And this time it feels like it's being held in, but I can't see any more screws. Oh, here we go. Okay, it was just so snug. Oh, there we go. The warning still stands. Don't copy me. This isn't a tutorial. I mean, God, how old are these things now? 2013. Is there a date code on this battery? Is there a date code anywhere? Not that I can see at the moment. But they've got to be coming on 10 years old now. So if you want a tutorial, they're out there. You can find them. This isn't it. Saying that, let's carry on taking it apart. I'm going to test the battery first because it needs to be disconnected before I do anything to the USB port anyway. Which is here. It looks okay. The battery doesn't feel swollen. I mean, there's swelling to it, but I think it's the paper. Let's see if there's any charge in it. Set to DC volts. That's plus, that's minus, and it's showing, wow. Nothing. Nothing. There's somewhere down here, I think there is a Kindle. I think it's not that. Oh no, these aren't Kindles, these are Huddles. There's definitely a Kindle here somewhere. Yeah. It's saying the battery's dead. There's no case. I don't know where the case is. But here's the battery. I'll just make sure it is the same. And it is. Alright. It's been in there for so long, I doubt very much if there's any charge left in here. Oh, 3.3. So it is low, it's very low. But it might be enough to get this thing started. So before I put that in, I'm going to have a good look at this USB port. Okay, everything seems fine there. Just going to plug a micro USB cable in there just to make sure there is no wobbles. They are rubbish, aren't they, these? Let's put this good battery on. Let's see where we're at. Okay. Still frozen where it was. That switch doesn't seem to be doing anything at all. Let's see if I can test it. It's getting really close if we can. Okay, so the switch is working. So we'll try adding power again because the battery is flat. So the amber charge lights come on. Nothing's changed yet. Okay, so the battery's depleted, but we know that. So let's just make sure that we are receiving a charge. And just pop that in there. The amber lights come on. I'm drawing 35. Definitely drawing. Flat battery. So I think I'm going to leave that just sitting there now overnight and then come back to it tomorrow and see where we're at then. Alright then. Well, the screen's definitely changed. This has been showing a little bit of charge, but then it should go down to 0. It's just trickle charging at the minute, so I'm going to guess that that battery is now fully charged. I'll unplug it, try and get rid of the glare, see what happens when I hit the power switch. Right, come on, Kindle comes on. Set up your Kindle, yep, battery saying full. Alright, so it's registered, so Wi-Fi is working, registration is complete, and we'll just go through this, and what I'll do is I'll put this back together and use it for a few days, just make sure that the battery I've actually put in is good. If not, I'll order a new one from Amazon or eBay. I'll put it back together and then we can wrap this one up, I think. I've got a good idea. If I put it in this way, you might be able to see the screen once it's rebuilt. That's it, that's all 10. Not going to over tighten them, just make sure that they're pinched. Then I'll reuse the tack on here. I'll just heat it up a little, just soften the adhesive. So it's just the same as when I took it off. So 120 degrees, airflow's 8. Don't want to melt anything, just make it a little bit soft. Yep, it's definitely sticky. Should have saw that before, really. No drama, sure it'll come here. Okay, and it came in this rather nice case. It's an official case. I should think, usually with these, when you open it, yep, comes on, brilliant. So yeah, quite a nice simple fix. Obviously I didn't know it was going to be simple. When I buy it, I'd just buy it off eBay as not working, faulty, spares repairs. And then obviously half the battle is the diagnostic, and then to find out it's just the battery just makes it nice and simple. So I'll close the video at that now. and say thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time in the shed. Bye bye, take care now.